Good job. Look at you. Look at you. Bravo. Come on. Keep coming. July 28, 2008. He is a year and a month and a bit. And he's learning to walk, right, B? Maria also did something very special.
Poo-poo's in the potty.
Poo-poo's in the potty. This is like, what, your 5th time? Yeah, we're almost there. She almost has no diapers at night now, right, B?
Yeah.
And she got some marbles. Lukey, ¿a dónde vas, Lukey? Stairs, no. Come on, come see Mama.
I walk there. See? I can walk up.
He is very good walking up the stairs. She's so pretty.
Can I help you? You're welcome.
Lukey. Hi. Babaya. I can see up your nose, silly. That's really close. I can see your nose and I can see your cookie, silly.
I'm a cookie.
Oh, Dodi. You're funny. Want to take video of Lukey B? Look, there he is. He's walking. Whoa, fail. Come on. Up you go. You're messy too. You just ate. Okay. Hold on. Let's just take a video. Here you go. Ready? Seal?
Can I take a picture of him?
You want to take a picture? Okay, if you take a picture,